Hello everyone, this is Huidu Technology. From the Olympics to the European Cup to various large-scale concerts, LED screens are indispensable. In addition to the super large screens with full visual effects, LED poster screens are becoming more and more popular. To the end, Huidu Technology has launched the HDP6L control card designed specially for poster screens. The maximum control range of a single B6L card reaches 1.3 million pixels, supports 4K video hard decoding, and 60 Hz frame rate output, which can clearly present every detail. For post-screen application scenarios, B6L has a powerful unique skill. Through HDMI cascading, B6L can adaptively splice multiple display screens together, and it can synchronize the parameters of all display screens and adjust the brightness with one button, which can reduce the workload of the debugging and also lower the cost of sensors. In addition, B6L supports the display screen to be rotated and spliced at any angle and can freely splice display screens of different resolutions at 360 degrees, easily handled complex usage scenarios. In terms of software, Huidu Technology's powerful software ecosystem protects B6L. On the PC side, there is a powerful HDPlayer that makes debugging simple. On the cloud, there is a free Xiaohui cloud platform to achieve internet class management so that you can truly control the screen without leaving home. On the mobile phone side, there is a LED art app that supports mobile phone wireless signal transmission, which is easy to operate and one-touch exercise. B6L is far more powerful than this, and more functions are waiting for you to unlock. Welcome to follow our official website and social media platforms for more information. If you want to see any other product content, please leave a message in the comment area. See you next time.